So, are you a mother who's worried about cold and cough for your little ones? So, here's a perfect solution for you all, which is not just a healthier remedy, but a treat too.
Let's begin with the ingredient. For that, you will be needing a cup of jaggery, a cup of raw ginger, a cup of raw turmeric, and few cloves and pepper.
Ready to kick the cough out.